I'm requesting everyone to kindly share this message, because today I'm going to speak something how Chinese online courses are becoming popular, or how Chinese online courses can be made better than classroom teachings. There was a time when I started speaking Chinese, the easiest language. Somebody smiled at me, somebody disagreed. But whoever has come in front of me, I could prove to him Chinese is not only an easy language, but it is possibly one of the easiest language to learn. Well, Bangladeshi people finds it very difficult to maintain. If you are not in China, if you are not speaking, likely you will forget. But if you compare with learning other languages, think about it. We are learning French, we are learning Spanish, we are learning Japanese, Korean, Arabic. Can we speak those fluently? Somebody has learned French from Alias Frost 4 years, but he also cannot speak because we don't have any practice. English, well, we are learning for 12 years, even up to intermediate, and we are practicing. That's why we can speak. The same in Chinese language. The Chinese language is not difficult. Only thing, we do not practice it. That's why somebody thinks it is difficult. I had been propagating, I had been proving Chinese the easiest language. Now, in this video, I will tell you how online Chinese teaching can become better than classroom Chinese teaching. One thing is very sure, that classroom teaching we had been doing, we can see teacher, we can see board. There is only one advantage in classroom teaching, that you can accommodate many people and you can physically see your teacher. You can physically see your other classmates. You can see physically your environment, class. You can see all your teachers, you can see all your classmates. But other than this, in the classroom teaching, from ancient time, it is one whiteboard or blackboard, it is marker, chalk, one teacher, student, and his notebook. In the recent days, there is multimedia presentation also. But that's it. A classroom presentation of 40 cannot be 1 hour. A student can listen only for 40 minutes. But side by side, if we are learning online, say for example, whatever I am speaking now, this will finish within few minutes. But somebody can listen this cassette 1 time, 2 times, 10 times, 100 times. So, in the classroom, you listen teacher only once. Then you remember some and you forget. Somebody may argue with me that in the classroom teaching, the teacher explains nicely and all the students understand. Teacher sees the face of the students. Now in this digital age, if the teacher is very capable, the teacher can also do the same in online. Now, I had been teaching. It's not that anybody and everybody can teach online. During this corona time, even our education ministry has instructed that BTB should teach students online, and it has started. Now, that kind of teaching can never be better than classroom teaching. What I am telling, if the teacher is qualified like me, say for example, I am speaking Chinese for 32 plus years. I am teaching Chinese for more than 12 years. I have done Chinese interpretation at higher level, more than 50. I had been interpreting with Chinese presidents. I had been interpreting with Chinese prime ministers. So, with such a vast experience, I have taught more than 2,500 students Chinese in classroom. With that experience, if a teacher like me really try to teach online, his teaching has to be better than any other classroom teaching. Now we have books, we have PDF files, we can use Facebook, we can use WeChat, we can use WhatsApp, we can use Viber, whatever may be the case. Not necessary that you have to have www.com Chinese teaching like that. Using the social media, we can teach. We can use email to send the books. We can group all students, and the teacher can also monitor. Teacher can put all the students in one big group, teaching group. It can be WeChat group, it can be WhatsApp group, it can be Messenger group. Again, a teacher can also make subgroups. So for example, those students who has joined just this week, new students in another group. The students who are learning for 1 month in another group. Students who have learning for 3 months or more than 3 months in another group. So while teaching, as teacher should teach something for new students, something should mid-level students, something for those who are learning for a long time. So with that, classroom teaching can be, online teaching can be better than classroom teaching. The second, in this internet age, the YouTube, Google is full of Chinese lessons. A teacher have the resources. The entire internet, entire YouTube is library. So a teacher can have choice. A teacher is teaching online with one cassette or his cassette. The student can find out similar lessons from internet, maybe more than hundreds. A teacher can ask student to write down, to speak to teacher one-to-one, to submit. So whatever we do in the classroom, all are possible. Only thing, well, there is one disadvantage of online teaching. If the lessons are going to his mobile or in his computer, if the student doesn't open it, of course he misses it. It is the same like if the student doesn't come to the classroom, of course he misses the classroom teaching. But if the lesson goes to your mobile, it remains 24 hours. It remains till the end of the courses. So, a student can learn anytime and every time. Anytime and every time. Again, a teacher like me, if I am dedicated, say for example, I have promised myself that I will teach online better than classroom teaching of any other places. You disagree today, just practice with me 3 months. After 3 months you tell. When I said that I will make sure that my students will become interpreter after 3 months, somebody didn't believe. How it is possible? Chinese is so difficult a language. But I have proved. A rural boy with no educational background or a rural boy with class 8, class 9 educational background, SSC fail or intermediate pass, have come to me, learned for 3 months, residential. I kept them 15 hours inside the classroom daily, and I did not give them any weekend. I taught them 90 days. Every day 15 hours, 90 days, 1,350 hours. I made sure I motivated them. Please learn one Chinese character per hour. So that gave them the opportunity that my students, residential students, have learned 1,350 Chinese characters, including writing. So that's why they are getting job. Otherwise, Chinese, this project manager, they are not full. Somebody may say that they are getting less salary. Well, if somebody is very high quality interpreter, he graduated from China, maybe he can join with 50,000, 60,000. But our new student starts from 25,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 like that. And they also earn 60,000 and 80,000. Likewise, somebody is thinking, let the corona go fast. If the COVID-19 situation finishes, then we will learn Chinese. I am telling, the time and tides waits for none. Nobody is sure I will remain alive or not. I may die from any other diseases also. Because I have promised that as long as I remain alive, because I am promoting Chinese language in Bangladesh, so no matter it's lockdown or not, I will teach online and I will make sure that my students are learning better than classroom teachings. The fee for 3 months basic Chinese language course, you are coming to me twice in every week and every time 2 hours. And the charge was 18,500 taka. But now I will teach 6 days in a week. 6 days. And 72 days in 90 days. In 3 months. But the fee is even less than 50% of classroom teaching. The fee is only 7,500 taka. I will make sure that you start speaking after 3 months very fluently by spending only 7,500 taka. Well, with this you cannot be all of a sudden interpreter. Online, because you are not traveling, because you are not coming, you are not wasting any other time. So you can read at home more and more. You have to write. And then 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. You learn 1 year online, sitting at your place. Your efficiency will also be like my residential students. Anybody learning 1 year online and by spending 28,000 or 30,000 taka only in 1 year will be able to perform as interpreter. That is what I say. I promised I will make sure for Chinese language, if need, I will give up everything. So please don't hesitate. Please share this video. I'm telling time and again, Chinese is not a difficult language. Chinese is one of the easiest languages of this world. I'm telling you time and again, from my experience of 32 plus years, Bangladeshi people, anybody learning Chinese will have added advantage in getting job. Either he can perform as interpreter, or even if he is engineer or doctor, he will find better opportunities if he learns Chinese in a Chinese projects. Maybe in Bangladesh, maybe also in outside. Your exposure in job market in Chinese projects will be around the world. So please don't give up. Try to learn Chinese language. And do not give excuse, this is lockdown time. Do not give excuse. Now there is no work. Time and tide waits for none. Please learn online, because I have promised I will make sure that my online students will learn better than I request everybody to kindly share these videos with others. Thank you.